back to what you love. The latest innovation only for Inc. customers. Learn more at chase.com/Inc.
Great prices. I just wish you could guarantee me they won't be beat.
Oh, actually.
Then I'd be like, you rule. Come on. My kids would be like, you
Follow it
rule.
up here.
I'd be like, yes, I do rule. Oh, I ruled. I'll load up the sleigh. This is going to be a great Christmas.
Where you going?
Ring me up.
No need to wait with our Christmas price guarantee. We're so confident in our prices, if you do find a lower one between now and Christmas, we'll give you the difference on a Walmart gift card. Save money. Live better. Walmart.
The toughest job on the planet. Just got a little easier. With one-touch technology and even an air scrubber, the Nissan Quest. Innovation for family. Innovation for all.
Get up to $3,050 total savings on a 2011 Nissan Quest.
To get a professional cleansing system, you could spend as much as $200. Olay says challenge that with an instrument that cleanses as effectively as what's sold by skilled professionals. New Olay Pro X Advanced Cleansing
I'll
System.
tell you, they used to be fucking the shit out of stuff animals used to be in.
I remember, I seen it, remember?
I used to take
Telling
that
an
shit like
average
a
joke.
motherfucker.
Going out with a whimper. We all aspire. So when we built the new Samsung Galaxy S2, we built it to be the best and
You
brightest,
satisfied
with the
yet?
most vivid screen out there, on our fastest phone ever. Because we're Samsung, and that's just the way we're wired. The Samsung Galaxy S2. October 1988.